I think we've over the years developed a model which actually insulates us from a lot of leverage issues in terms of our exposure to infrastructure. We fundamentally build India's infrastructure. Any of the complicated airports, ports, metros, underground structures, marine structures, all of this we do on an EPC basis. And what this means is that we are commissioned by a sponsor and we execute the project for the sponsor. We have had in the past exposure to owning toll roads, which is part of the developmental project portfolio that we have. And we currently have about 10 of them in our portfolio. Till a couple of months ago, we had about 15. We created a REIT-like structure in the Indian markets. It's an investment trust that has got created. And we transferred ownership of 5 of the 15 toll roads that we had into that ownership structure. The financing of all of these projects are done on project financed basis. So there is no recourse to the parent company, Larsen Toubro.
I see. Interesting. Having said that, though, a lot of this spending, infrastructure funded by the government, along with multilateral agencies, of course, is coming ahead of elections in India, very important ones next year. Do you get a sense that after the polls are over, things are going to tail off pretty sharply? And are you prepared for that?
In the Indian context, infrastructure is still a very underserviced space. We do believe that there's going to be sustainable opportunities in the infrastructure space because India needs to build world-class infrastructure. If its trade and commerce has to do well, if its economy is to fire well, I think the minimum prerequisite is to have world-class infrastructure. Having said that, I think the poll is a catalyst which every now and then provides a certain momentum to the program. Over the last 6 to 8 months, we have seen some accelerated action towards projects being awarded. It's been consistently so over the 6-8 months, and consequently, we have benefited by that momentum. And as a company, we have reported 3 quarters in a row where we were able to record a better order intake as compared to the past.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.